Welcome! Today I am with Xiaomi Mi Bedside Lamp 2 and I'm going to show you how you can connect this lamp to your smartphone. It will look the same for Android and iOS devices. So at the first we have to simply turn on our lamp, so just plug it with this cable at the back and turn it on to the electricity. Plug it to the electricity. Next you have to tap on this power button to turn it on. Right now, you have to go for the Bluetooth and location services on your smartphone and simply enable both features. Right now, you have to be also connected to the Wi-Fi network and open the Mi Home application. You can find this app in the Play Store or the App Store, and that's how it looks. I'm going to show you the icon and the name. That's the application. So you have to simply download. When you make it, you can just open. And right now you have to tap on this plus in the right upper corner and select Add a device. When you make it, this lamp will appear right here. So we can just tap on it once, but if you have any connection problem, you can just add it manually by going right here, select your device, and then follow instruction right here. But in my case, everything is fine, so I'm gonna tap right here. We have to connect to the network, so I just connect with this one. Click here, tap next, keep both devices close. Select connect. Okay, as you can see, this device was successfully added to our application. We can select room for it. Select, click next, you can rename, tap next if you don't want to change it, and click to get started. As you can see, after a few seconds we have to tap agree at the bottom, and right now we are able to change options right here. So we can adjust the brightness level, for example. As you can see, everything is fine and it's working properly. When you tap on this right upper corner, you can find here a lot of additional things. So yeah, that's all, and that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.